right? Like, do they feel that yoga is not for them because they're not flexible? And I think from the people who answered, 100% of them said yes. They feel yoga is not for them because they're not flexible. So for someone who's just in the beginning of this journey, what advice would you give them, or where can they start their yoga journey?
Okay. Yeah. First of all, like showing up, right? Letting go of the egotistical mind that says like I'm not bendy enough, I'm not
Mm,
flexible enough, I'm not skinny enough, I'm not
yeah.
blonde enough, whatever there might be the limiting beliefs that we have, right?
Yeah.
Is to show up. I would suggest that they find the gentle yoga. Don't go straight into a vinyasa flow
Mm.
because you're setting up yourself for disappointment
Yeah.
because it's really like find gentle yoga, find the yin yoga, which is a longer holds and it it doesn't require much of physical abilities really, and also like restorative yoga and things that are gentle. Anything with the word gentle and watching the mind also is like, but I don't want gentle. I want strong. Gentle is actually the biggest form of strength that you can
Mm.
ever get. Because in our fast paced societies, fast is more. I got to go fast. No, slowing down is where the juice is. Slowing down is where you give yourself. And also like working to like, yes, you're not bendy. And that's why you want to do yoga. Oh, did I lose you for a moment?
Yeah, but
Did I
you're
lose
back
you?
now.
I got you back. Okay, sorry. Yeah, but really like allowing um, yourself to be curious about the practice and not letting your mind to tell you you're not good enough, you're not bendy enough. Observing like, oh, you're saying that? Well, let me show up how that goes. And connect with a teacher, with a guide that is all about the variations and all
Mm.
that. And it's also opportunity. I have been to classes that I was injured in my right hip, but I really still wanted the community, the sangha,
Mm.
right? The sadhana, the everyday practice. So I just show up. All I did was be in child's pose. That's all I could do.
Yeah.
You're just gonna do that, and everybody doing everything. I'm like, yeah, you watch me. I'm gonna do just that, and it was the most beautiful practice for me, and for a lot of people that were there because they're like, wow, you blew my mind because to do, and I cried a lot because I was in pain, and there was the emotional pain too of not being able to do the things, but it was so cathartic, was so beautiful. So that, and even if your body can't do all the asanas, all the poses, have some faith that your body is resilient, that your body will get into it. And then
Yeah.
use the powerful mind that we have. And so one, I teach online and I teach a class by donation. And one of the things that I teach is that like, even if you're sitting at your desk right now and you can't move, even if you are bedridden, use your mind. Go through the cueing that I'm giving and see in your mind your arm doing that, your leg doing that, you standing tall and feeling grounded. Because when you use that mind for that, you are firing the
Yeah.
same muscles, same areas in your body as if you're doing the movement. So yeah, use like
Yeah.
show up, give yourself the opportunity, and give yourself also a good like 5 to 10 classes. You
Yeah.
go to one, oh, this